Hey, pretty excited to show you this car. His friend Jeff, he is Chevelle. It's a 71 Chevelle, and it is a beautiful convertible. Pretty sweet car, and I had the opportunity to do some dyno work to it, which turned out really good. I'll just show you what we got under the hood. So we have a 462 big block, and this thing makes some good power. It is a beautiful car to drive, and it's just beautiful all around. The interior, it is pretty sweet. It's really nice and stock, and it happens to have a Tremec 6-speed in it, which is pretty sweet. He has upgraded the brakes all the way around to big disc brakes, and these rims are just beautiful. They're kind of a black chrome, which just looks deadly on this car. And yeah, I don't know, favorite years of Chevelle, well, 71 and 72, absolutely love them. It's fun to drive, and I really appreciate that I get to work on stuff like this, and I'm hoping that you enjoy that I'm sharing it with you. This thing is just beautiful. Absolutely love the sound of a really nice running big block Chevy. Well, any big block sounds cool. This thing just has a really nice exhaust tone. Just sounds awesome. He's running a upgraded, so it's a Holley Terminator. Had some problems with the ignition system, so went back to a normal mechanical distributor, and it looks like we've solved most of that. But this thing just sounds so good. Let me know, someone's gonna have an opinion on this. What sounds better than a big block Chevy? Thank you so much for taking the time to check out this video on this beautiful car. It's definitely something that would be fun to have in your collection, or mine better. Anyway, if you don't mind, please like, share, and subscribe.